Hi doll collectors and fans! So I bought the Barbie Science Lab. I think this is going to be a great addition to my doll collection. Especially I do have an Instagram account that's just dedicated for my Barbie hospital. So looking at it, I think there's lots of pieces here that could actually help add dimension to my story. So I've already removed the original packaging the way it was earlier, and as you can see, there are different materials included. First, we do have the workbench and of course the Barbie stool. I pretty much like this one. It's colored pink with silver steel footing design, and I like that there's a Barbie logo in it, quite classic. Also, we have the workbench, and you can see that it has drawers, but they're not actually working, so it's just 4 drawers. And it also has a sink, a Bunsen burner, and those holes where you typically put the different accessories of the playset so you don't lose them. So looking at the color of the design, I think I like it. I like that the workspace is actually more white. And of course, the stool is perfect height for the doll. Once we demonstrate it later, you would see it. Apart from the stool and the chair, the set actually comes with a graduated cylinder. So I like that the colors are different. So one is yellow and one is blue. So I think it's going to be nice to look at, as if your doll is having a science experiment or a lab experiment. See? And you can put that on top of the workbench. So there are pegs so it's secure, so it doesn't fall down. And there are more glass tubes, but they're plastic, right? So there are more materials that you can use in your lab experiment. So apart from the graduated cylinder, so there's 2 of those violet plastic materials and another blue one. So I like that there's a lot of things going on the workbench or in this playset. Also comes with this tube which aims to connect the 2 glass containers. And apart from the glass containers, you could it also comes with this very nice goggles. So I like that the feel of the goggles is really like a rubber, so it's also adjustable for your doll. I like that it feels realistic, right? So you could actually hang it there on the side of the table. Of course, the playset also comes with a laptop. The laptop is you can actually close it, and when you open it, the design is very human. No, just kidding. But the design has the table of elements on it, so I think it really is giving you a feel of a chem table or a chem science lab, for example. So here it is. I've set it up in my Barbie hospital. So there's more storytelling to do. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you follow me in my channel, Doll Collector PH, and my Instagram account, Barbie Scopo. So thanks for watching.